In this video, we will trying to talk about a very common question. Are two nodes have any connection? Those two nodes could be points on a graph or two IP addresses in a LAN or WAN or two individuals in a social network. For example, this name list could come from a social network, say Facebook or LinkedIn, and this is their connection. If we ask is connected Ben and Miller, the answer should be true because even though they don't have direct connection, they have indirect connection through John. Uh, in the same way, is connected Ben and Yohai should return false because they have neither direct nor indirect connection. This answer could be easily answered if we can model their connection with a hash map. If two names have the same hash map value, they have connection, otherwise they don't. So let's write a hash map. The key field could be anything, could be an object. The value is just a marker. And once we have the map, we can fill it with the names. At the beginning, we give each name a different value. So initially, they are not connected to anybody. Then we create a new instance of union find demo. Oh, and we can call the method union to establish connections. The connection map, of course, came from friends. Connect the first name to the second name. And we now get a data structure and maintain the connections. So we haven't filled the method yet. As we agreed, we want to update all the connections to the same value. So we can name one's value, and we iterate through the union, find all its existing connections, and update. What do we want to update? We want to update them to the name 2's value, so that now name 2 and name 1, the existing connection, belong to a bigger connection. Once we have this data structure, answer is connected is really simple. We just have to get name 1's value, compare it to the name 2's value. Okay, and we should have it. Now we can answer the question with any name input by the user. Okay, let's assume the user input is comma separated. So we can get the name pair by splitting. And let's throw IO exception. Now let's answer the question. Is connected pairs? At this point, there's a few edge conditions to watch out. Say if we get a null name, or name 2 equal null, we want to return false. Or the lookup fails. We get a stranger and we want to return false. And oh, don't forget to trim before lookup, because this user input could easily have space. Let's print out. And let's print out the map also, so that we know the answer is correct or not. Okay, let's run the program. Here, let's check Ben and John. John and Ben have the same value, so it's true. Let's check Eva and Keith. Answer is false. And let's check stranger. Answer is false. So just by keep a hash map, we can answer is connected in a constant